Clickworker How to Make Money. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, head over to clickworker.com and sign up. After that, check your email and verify your account to activate it. The whole process is quick and completely free. No upfront payment or subscription required. Once your account is active, go ahead and complete your profile. Fill in your basic information, the languages you speak, and your skills or background experience. This step is important because it helps the platform recommend tasks that match your strengths. Then, go to the assessments section inside your dashboard. You'll find a few short tests. Don't worry, they're pretty simple. Once you pass them, especially the 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 qualification test, you'll unlock access to higher paying tasks that many users rely on for steady income. Next, open the Jobs tab, and you'll see a variety of micro tasks waiting for you, like tagging images, writing product descriptions, answering surveys, and even recording your voice for small projects. Each task may only pay a few cents to a few dollars, but if you do them consistently every day, it can really add up over time.